Mindful Moments Kids.
Sometimes our eyes are bigger than our stomachs, and sometimes our ideas are bigger than our time.
I have decided. For the School Kindness Festival tomorrow, I am going to make 1,000 paper cranes. Maya, the festival is tomorrow morning.
That's in
4 hours.
I'm fast. I'm like a ninja. A paper folding ninja. Hiya!
To make 1,000 cranes in 4 hours, you'd need to fold 4 cranes every single minute without stopping, not even to blink.
Then I won't blink. Let's go! See? Easy. That's 1. Only 999 to go.
At first, the paper ninja was doing great.
It is a nice crane, Maya. Very pointy wings.
I can do this. I just need to speed up. If I use my elbows, N-O. That was crane number 100 and... Wait, I lost count.
Stop. Look at your birds.
They look like... crumpled napkins. I promised everyone 1,000. Now I have a pile of garbage.
You didn't fail. You just bit off more than you could chew. I didn't eat any paper, Emma. It's a saying. It means you took on a job that was too big for you to handle. When you try to do too much, you end up not doing a good job on any of it. Whatever you chew, or whatever you make, should be good, even if it's small.
Maya stopped trying to be a ninja. She went back to being an artist.
We only have 50. Is that enough? That's 50 beautiful ones. That is better than 1,000 messy ones. Wow, they look like they're actually flying. See? Perfect bite size.
Next time, remind me not to promise 1,000,000 balloons?
I'll remind you.
Don't bite off more than you can chew.
Remember, it's better to do a small thing well than a big thing badly. Don't bite off more than you can chew.